If your car smells like gas, it means gasoline vapors are escaping from the fuel system. This is a serious issue that can indicate fuel leaks, faulty components, or problems with the emissions control system. Ignoring the smell can lead to fire hazards, health issues from inhaling fumes, and potential engine damage. Don't delay in diagnosing the smell as soon as possible. Fuel leaks are a major concern. Cracks in the fuel tank, lines, or hoses can allow gasoline to leak. These leaks are highly flammable and pose serious risks. Visually inspect under your car for wet spots, especially after parking. If you spot a leak, do not drive the vehicle and call a professional immediately. A loose or damaged gas cap allows fuel vapors to escape. Ensure your gas cap is properly tightened after each fill-up. Inspect the cap for any cracks or damage. A replacement gas cap is inexpensive and can often resolve the issue quickly. Also, make sure the gas cap is the correct one for your vehicle. Do not use a universal fit gas cap. The Evaporative Emissions Control System, or EV app, captures and recycles fuel vapors from the gas tank to prevent them from escaping into the air. This system uses a charcoal canister to absorb vapors, which are then purged back into the engine when you drive. Common problems include clogged charcoal canisters that can't absorb vapors properly, or malfunctioning solenoids that fail to control vapor flow. These issues are a frequent cause of gasoline odors. A professional diagnosis often involves a smoke test, where a machine introduces smoke into the system to reveal leaks. This can pinpoint EVAP system issues accurately. The check engine light may illuminate with EVAP trouble codes, but it doesn't always come on. The gasoline smell is often your first and most important warning. A common cause of EVAP system issues is overfilling the gas tank, which can flood the charcoal canister and cause malfunctions. Fuel injector problems occur when injectors leak, spraying excess fuel into the engine intake. This causes a strong gas smell, particularly noticeable when the engine is idling. Beyond the smell, leaking injectors reduce engine performance and fuel efficiency, as the engine receives too much fuel. A mechanic can diagnose the issue by testing the injectors for leaks or malfunctions and may recommend a fuel system cleaning to restore proper function. Dangerous cause number 5 focuses on carburetor issues in older cars. Carburetors mix air and fuel for the engine, and when they fail, it can lead to flooding where excess fuel enters the system. Flooding happens when the float valve fails to regulate fuel levels properly, causing too much gasoline to flood into the carburetor and engine, resulting in that strong gas smell. While major carburetor problems often need professional repair, rebuild, or replacement, the most common issue is a stuck float. This can usually be fixed relatively easily by cleaning or adjusting the float mechanism. Exhaust system failures represent the 6th dangerous cause of gas smells in cars. Leaks in the exhaust manifold or muffler can allow unburned fuel to escape, particularly when the engine runs rich with excess fuel. Inspect the exhaust system for any visible damage, such as cracks, rust, or corrosion, and listen for unusual noises like rattling or hissing. These signs indicate cracks or leaks that require immediate attention from a professional mechanic. The smell is often more noticeable during cold starts when the system hasn't warmed up. If you smell gas, get it checked by a professional. Ignoring the smell can lead to dangerous outcomes. Modern cars are increasingly using technology to help with problems, but your nose is often the first warning sign. As electric vehicles become more common, gas-related issues are expected to decline, but for now, always be mindful of that gas smell.